dying. I don't know if I can make it. Welcome to another vlog from the mountains. Today I'm going for the third time to Hebs stairs. Bye baby. Hebs stairs, because at the top of this mountain, probably a few hours hiking inside, there's a village called Hebs. Hebs is a tribe of mountain people of the UAE. The stairs, honestly, it's a killer for me. That's why first time I came here was the end of summer. I just went through half of it and camped in the mountains. The second time I reached the White House that we're going to today, hopefully also. Today is the third attempt. Hopefully it's 3 p.m. and I will reach before sunset. I recently went on a 3 days water fast, but thankfully I regained my energy. So this is the first time I'm going hiking after fasting. Though my legs still feel a little bit like made out of jelly for some reason. Part of hike is pretty obvious because it consists of stairs. You will meet a point where there's crossroads. The path to the left, it's gonna be very steep but take shorter time, I guess. The part to the right goes around and up. It's less steep but longer. It's always better to wear long trousers for hiking in the UAE because there are snakes, scorpions, spiders, so protect yourself. And the shoes that actually end here above the ankle, and this is because when you come down especially, your feet is prone to twist easily, but with these shoes won't, because the higher part is holding it. Half of the stairs is behind me. I'm done. I wanted to say I'm done. Yeah, I'm just resting a little bit now. I was considering to eat something, but I need to hurry up to reach the top, and I'm gonna eat at the top. Water reservoir. Let's see. Yeah. You remove that doors and then you can take the water from inside. It's fine. Hope I will not fall down. Let's see how much water. Wow, quite a lot actually. Half a kilometer later I changed my mind. I decided I'm gonna eat my cauliflower mushroom soup, which looks like that. And this is because it's really burdening on my back. My backpack is really heavy today. Not only the water, obviously, a few liters, I think around 3. but also, you know, drone and the batteries and camera and some other things. So yeah, I will have a break now and hopefully regain some strength to conquer this mountain and reach, yeah, somewhere there to the top. Wish me luck. So this is the second part of the steps. I hope you can see it clearly, but they go along up this way and all the way up. I'm dying. I don't know if I can make it. These are the real moments that usually stay behind camera. I guess I'm half the way. I'm good with time. I could reach to the top, but it's just about if I will have enough power. So that's how much is left. I can't believe it, but I made it. I made it even before sunset, which was actually my goal, because each time I would reach here, actually one time I reached here, it was already after sunset, so I didn't really know what's the view, but the view is amazing. It's a huge effort, so that's why it's super tiring. I don't know, for me at least. I think I'm gonna spend now like 1 hour resting. Now finally there is cold wind and very nice weather. Perfect to sleep, to be honest. I really have no power anymore to stand up now and show you the views. But enjoy the drone shots. I'm gonna have my food now, which is flaxseed bread, olives, cucumber, a romaine salad and the green tea. You might think it's a weird food to take with you for hiking, but recently I'm doing this experiment and trying keto vegan diet because I went through a 3 days fasting recently, so I just wanted to extend ketosis. So I'm just trying to limit my carb intake to maximum 18 grams net of carbs. So that's how it looks like basically. I also try not to drink coffee, and that's why instead I have green tea with me. And also that's why I'm not staying for camping today, because I'm doing intermittent fasting at the same time. So I pretty much finish eating at 8 and then start eating at around 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. So that's why I knew I would be super hungry and probably bored not having anything to cook in the evening while camping. Anyways, I think I'll finish this video here. I'll wish you an amazing morning, evening, night, wherever you are and whatever time you are watching. If you like the video, press the thumbs up, subscribe, and I guess I will see you soon, hopefully, in the next one. مع السلامة. So I reached the car and surprisingly the battery won't start. I disconnected it for like 15 minutes, so let's see, maybe, but I don't think so. Let's see anyways.